Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take pictures in this boat in Heartopia. So go to this area here near Will, and we are just going to kind of go down here a little bit. Yeah, here in this area. And then you're just going to want to get your drawing board out. Hopefully you have it. Then you're just going to hold, and you're going to then place it, okay, yeah, here. Oops. And then you're going to want to press this, modify drawing, and I'm just going to select, let's select this one. And then once you're done, you're just going to put this in your inventory again. And then you're just going to jump here. Make sure you do a long jump because if you drown, you'll be like, respawn somewhere else. So long jump here. And then you're just going to do another jump here to the boat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's how you can get on this boat. You can take really cool pictures here. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.